What? No. What? We're down 10%? Oh my gosh. 5%? Sell it. No. Sell it all. Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Whoops. That's not how this works. That's really not how any of this works. Guys, the stock market is a crazy place, am I right? Holy moly, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. And guys, we're going to talk about the stock market today and what happened this weekend. Holy moly, guys. If you guys were paying attention, if you have a stock portfolio, you saw a lot of red, you saw a lot of blood, and we're going to talk about it here today. So, let's get started. Guys, I'm going to show you exactly what the stock market did to my portfolio this past weekend and showing you guys that the stock market is not all roses and rainbows. It's not all like chocolate covered strawberries and people singing kumbaya and making millions of dollars. The stock market can be a very scary place as well. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you guys could see on January 9th, I was up, in the 3 months from that, from a 3-month period, I was up about $96,000, which is good. Which is good. I was up, 96,000 in 3 months. That's not my overall portfolio balance. That's up only what I was up in profit in 3 months. So I keep my overall portfolio balance, discreet, obviously, guys. As you guys could see, though, things started kind of going down after that. January 11th, I was up only 75,000. January 12th, I was only up 48,000, losing money, as you could see. January 14th, still up, 48,000. As you can see, I lost half of my profit in just a couple of days. 15th, only up 42,000. January 20th, I was fighting back and forth between the $45,000 to $50,000 range. As I mentioned before, guys, my portfolio could make or lose $10,000, $20,000 in a day or a week, easily in a month. But that's just the psychology of the stock market. You got to be able to withstand your portfolio losing and making a lot of money. But if you don't control your emotions and you pull out the moment you see a $10,000 loss or $20,000 loss, then you'll never be able to make it in the stock market. Now, as you guys could see, things started going back up a little bit around February. I was up once again almost 70,000 for that 3-month period. On the 10th, I was up, 58,000. But things started kind of taking a dip after that. Around the 21st is when things really just took a turn. I mean, I was only up $22,000 by the 3rd. That means I had lost around $72,000 to $74,000 in the matter of weeks. Now, as you guys could see, I'm going to show you the 1 week. On 1 week, starting on the 20th, things, as I mentioned, they started taking a quite a bit of a downfall. That week I was up, $500 to $1,000, on my overall portfolio balance. Nothing crazy, $1,000, nothing to write home about. But things really started taking a dip around, the 21st. I was down $100, nothing crazy. Actually, $100 is pretty much nothing. I was down $850 around 6 p.m. on the 21st. Then things just started going downhill after that. As you could see, around 11 p.m. I was down almost $1,000. By 1 a.m. I was down $10,000 in the matter of hours. And then as things went on, I started losing more money. At 5 a.m. on the 22nd, I was down 13. 8 a.m. I was down 13 again. By 12 p.m. on the 22nd, I was down $22,000 for the week. That's for a week. And then, as you could see, as things went on, it just started getting worse. Like, bam! Oh man, I was getting hit from left and right. By 1 a.m. I was down $40,000. At 3 a.m., $40,000. I was down in a matter of a day, basically. As at 5 a.m., 6 a.m., you can see I was down $45,000. Imagine being $45,000 down in a matter of hours. I mean, guys, things can take a real big turn, but you got to be able to withstand these emotional roller coasters. So as you could see, I was down a lot of money, but things are coming back up. Things are doing great so far. Things are going back up, but as you guys could see, stock market's a crazy place, guys. It's a crazy place. So please be careful. Please don't invest any money you're not willing to lose. Woo! Holy guys! Now that you guys have seen what it's like to go through some crazy emotions, just seeing your portfolio drop in money, you're just losing money. I mean, my portfolio has lost. I've lost about $80,000 in profit. Of course, it's the name of what I'm talking about. I've lost about $80,000 in pure profit in about a month and a half. Am I worried? No, I'm not worried. I'll be okay. Granted, my portfolio is very strong. It could withstand a 20% drop, 30% drop, 40% drop, and I'll still be making money. I'll still be okay. But I have positioned myself correctly, and I've done the research and the work to be okay. So I hope this showing you guys what I went through, and having to go through all those emotions of seeing money just drop from my portfolio, and knowing not to sell because things will be okay. That's the main thing I want you guys to take out of this video. If you're gonna be in the stock market, you have to be prepared to withstand those falls. You will come back up, but you have to be prepared to withstand those falls and not panic and not sell because you think the stock market is crashing and you'll never see your money. Granted, is that a possibility? Yeah, of course it's a possibility. It's not likely, but anything is a possibility in the stock market and really in life in general. But once again, it has been proven that the stock market always recovers. So do not panic sell. If you have good companies, keep holding them. As you guys have saw, Bitcoin and Tesla and Ethereum, they've all dropped, but they will come back up. I pulled out of Ethereum and Bitcoin. I pulled my profit at the perfect time. Not by coincidence, but because I do the research, I follow the charts, I follow the analysis, and now I made my money, and I'm waiting for Ethereum and Bitcoin to go back up in price so I can make more money again. Same thing with Tesla and all my other companies. I will be back up green, I will be making money, and that's just the name of the game, guys. So I hope you guys took something from my experience. I hope you guys learned a little bit. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Please recommend my channel to people who really want to learn about the stock market, guys. I show you guys real life data from my personal portfolio on how the stock market affects me and how I experience it, and I hope you guys can appreciate that. I'm giving you guys the real raw data. I'm not hiding anything. It's all there. So once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, you can always get out of the rat race too.